Hey guys, I'm back. It's me, Peter Jimski. I rebranded the channel once again. I couldn't get myself to call myself lurking or any other stuff. So I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys like what I'm doing in terms of my capstone, because like I told you guys before that I'm gonna do the Type RC converter, but like that's not even a big problem, or like a problem big enough for enough people for anybody to care. And it would be a waste for me to use the resources the capstone brings on something so small. Not saying that it would be easy or like not cool to do it. I'm just saying like I want to go much bigger. And I know it's like not okay usually for you to tell your idea to anybody, but I think that's just in real life. If you're watching this video this far, you definitely support me. So I can tell you guys without you having to worry about anybody like shutting down my idea. Because if you tell the wrong person, if you tell the wrong ears, like there's such thing as an evil eye, and like some people want you to fail, and some people don't understand the idea, especially if they don't like you or they're not like a subscriber or a viewer like on YouTube. So I think I can tell you guys without worrying about any of that other stuff I just mentioned. By the way, I got glasses. Like some people are like, oh, you need glasses? I thought your vision was good. Or like, you don't have good vision. But it's like, nobody has perfect vision. Like, my vision's really, really good. But like, I was at the, what's it called? This is getting off topic, but I was at getting my blood work done. And like, I was walking out of the place and it wasn't even the right place, but I saw like Prada and like all these different like cool glasses on display. So I was like, whatever, I have good insurance now, so I went, like, literally I paid $0 for my medicine, but like brand name medicine, like Tegretol and Zyprexa and like Visceral. I don't take Zyprexa no more because it makes me like very tired and angry, much like Xanax or like Klonopin. So I was like, I'm not doing that anymore. The Visceral and Tegretol are enough, and the ambient. But like, anyway, so I walked in, I was like, yo guys, like, what's up? Essentially we just made an appointment, and then like the doctor was like checking all these different lenses, and all the different lenses, I was like, holy crap, like I can tell what certain letters say, but like the crispiness of them is like way different with glasses. So yeah, that's really. And then I got the Google Buds. Like, a lot of stuff happened. I changed the picture in the back and like made the background more interesting. But anyway, what was I saying? So if you made it through all that nonsense, you definitely care about me. Or if you just skip to this part, that sucks. But anyway, that was just a test. Alright, so what I'm going to do for my project is I'm going to bring flying drone, car, man, aerial vehicles to market. So you know how like Steve Jobs brought the Apple iPhone to market, and like he made computers really cool and like personal and not scary, because the only person in his time that was making computers was IBM. And when they were like their view of computers was like this complicated, like a lot of like you really need to be really smart to use it type of thing, like machine that like nobody understood. But what Steve Jobs did is he made them sleek, personal, beautiful, that type of thing, and he brought them to the market and was like, hey man, like, hey guys, like this is like not that like convoluted and like hard to understand, like this is pretty cool, everyone should have it. So like right now, like drones, I guess in general, are like mainly for people who are creating, like for drone deliveries or making YouTube videos. Like the fact that I have a drone is pretty significant. Like not a lot of people own a drone. They think it's like this like confusing thing, but it's really not. Or at least I want to make it less confusing for people, and at the same time bring them to market by making them beautiful. Hence the new logo that I have, the new avatar that I have on this channel, Hence the rebranding of this channel. And yeah, so I want to show you guys a few ideas so far that I have. Actually, it's one idea, and I know it's this idea. Like, you know when you know something, like... What? Okay. Anyway, so you know how... Alright, so like I'm gonna show you guys. This is like a sketch I did right here. I'm putting a sketch. I'm bringing the sketch down right here. Okay, so this is like a sketch. As you can see in the corner, there's like a butterfly, a monarch butterfly, and the whole concept behind it is I want to make these drones look like very natural, because right now I was talking to my brother-in-law, actually, for example, and we were talking about this. He was talking to me about the FAA rules, and I was like, hey, so like what do you think? And then he was like scrolling through all these thumbnails of drones, and he's like, these are all ugly. And like legit, that resonates with me, because it's like that's literally all people want to see is like beautiful things. Like we attribute ourselves much like very much to our right brain, like our creative end, the part of our brain that has like speech and all that, because the left brain can't talk. Like, I don't know if you guys know that, but the left brain doesn't have a mouth. Like, I don't know if that makes any sense, but so that's one idea. Then I have this other idea. This one's like, this is, by the way, this is going back in time, so this was like first, actually, before the one that I just showed you. And then I have a few other ones that are on Twitter, actually. If you want, go follow me. I'm gonna make a Twitter page so you guys can like keep up with the content. But this is big. This is a big project that I'm gonna work on, and please don't tell anybody negative. I mean, you could tell people, but like, you know, like, I don't know, like, how else are we supposed to grow, you know? I trust you guys in telling the right people. But yeah, or if you just stumble across, or like just post it on your page or something, and then if people care about you, they'll follow me. But anyway, that's all I really wanted to say, is I'm just announcing that. Yeah, that's all. I don't know like what else to say. That's really it. I have to go eat because I'll be out ready. That's really it. I don't know. Like, I'm trying to think of more stuff to say, but in terms of like what I have done, it's just design phase, and then I have to like research patents, and I mean, I could upload the papers that I'm sharing with my professor. Yeah, I'll just upload those to Google Drive or Google Docs, and then you guys can read them, and then give me your, what's it called, critiques. But like, you know, like, what is that word when you critique someone, but like it's a fair, like, you give like both good and the bad about it. Don't just be like, you're not gonna do this because it sucks and you're out of your mind. Like, give me the good stuff too, you know what I mean? Alright, love you. See you guys.